Are you a senior professional leading teams, but want to create a larger impact? The business world is evolving fast, digital, data-driven, and globally competitive. It's time to transform from a functional expertise to a strategic leadership. The Executive Program in Senior Management by IIM Rohtak, in collaboration with UpTop Careers, is designed for ambitious leaders. Over 9 months of live hybrid learning with 2 days IIM Rohtak campus immersion, you'll master strategic thinking, functional strategies, business strategies, and corporate strategies, digital leadership, finance, marketing, and organizational excellence, all taught by IIM Rohtak's renowned faculty. You'll gain actionable insights, real-world frameworks, and the confidence to lead transformation across functions. Plus, connect with a powerful network of senior professionals from diverse industries while earning IIM Rohtak alumni status. The IIM Rohtak certification enhances your credibility to your organization that you're ready for the next big role. From business strategy to digital readiness, this program helps you accelerate career growth and lead with vision. Step up, lead change, and future-proof your leadership journey. Admissions are now open.